Throughout the world, we bring a message of well-being, harmony, and elegance. We create and offer beauty. Beauty, a never-ending quest. The source, the journey, and the destination of our work. What kind of beauty are we talking about? For the ancient Greeks, the term cosmos meant an appropriate arrangement. Applied to the movement of heavenly bodies, it therefore withheld a notion of the order underpinning apparent disorder. It also meant formal correctness, referring to embellishment, ornament, and to that which is formally adequate, thus giving us the term cosmetic. The beauty that inspires us has a cosmic nature. It stands for a way of working in which the ethical dimension shines through from the aesthetic sphere and vice versa. Where contents speak through form, and where form expresses contents. A beauty rooted in the very heart of the company spirit, but reflected on the surface in our way of appearing. Beauty is coherence. Coherence is beauty. Beauty constituting the link between the values that guide us and the gestures that express them, reflecting the harmony between our principles and our everyday behavior. This lies in the relationship between our professional choices and the commitment to a life worth living. That self-same beauty to be found within our products is also to be found within the people called upon to conceive them, produce them, and sell them. Without inner beauty, both men and companies wither, straying ever further from their vital center. But thanks to beauty, the heart is reawakened, the soul is rekindled, and life itself gushes forth once more. For us, taking care of what we do means simply reactivating life, nourishing it. It means cultivating and preserving it wherever it may be. We fight against inertia and the belittling of our work. We are driven by the commitment to take care of all that which lies both inside us and around us. First of all, in people, naturally, without forgetting other life forms, and also things which withhold a secret soul. We, women and men who work to spread boundless beauty, feel tied to life itself. We sense it in its perennial blossoming, we feel it moving, and we hear its breathing and pulsating. Our work makes us cosmopolitan, which means being citizens of the world, free from prejudice, barriers, or mental limitations. Our internationality expresses our tendency to build real and lasting relationships with the world in all its vastness and complexity. We feel responsible towards whom and what we encounter. We feel called upon to make our own contribution in order to foster its development, encourage its growth, and limit its imperfections. We feel small, but certainly not minimal. We feel that what we do is truly beautiful and thus truly useful. Something important which directly and indirectly contributes to making the world a better place, improving people's lives and improving the quality of the environment. We might call these sustainable actions. For us, this means being aware of the repercussions that our work has on us, on the others, and on the world around us. It means minimizing the impact of our own activity on the environment, using certified prime materials and working methods which respect the dignity of all those involved in the production processes. The sense of responsibility and the personal touch that we put into every stage of production are the real added value of our work and our products. Something that our clients and collaborators perceive as our distinctive feature. It's the strategic element that makes us stand out. In other words, the guarantee of our long-lasting success.